Students, welcome to Physics class 10th, chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction. Today we will study about refraction of light. When light traveling obliquely from one medium to another, the direction of propagation of light in the second medium changes. This phenomena is known as refraction of light. Laws of refraction of light. The following are the laws of refraction of light. First is the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the interface of two transparent media at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second is the ratio of sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant for the light of a given color and for the given pair of media. This law is known as Snell's law of refraction. This is true for angle 0, angle between 0 and 90. If I is the angle of incidence and r is the angle of refraction, then sine of I upon sine r is equal to constant. This constant value is called the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first. Next topic is the refractive index. Consider a ray of light traveling from medium 1 into medium 2 as shown in figure 10.11. Let V1 be the speed of light in medium 1 and V2 be the speed of light in medium 2. The refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is given by the ratio of the speed of light in medium 1 and the speed of light in medium 2. This is usually represented by the symbol n21. This can be expressed in an equation from form as n21 is equal to speed of light in medium 1 upon speed of light in medium 2, that is V1 upon V2. By the same argument, the refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2 is represented as n12. It is given by n12 speed of light in medium 2 upon speed of light in medium 1, V2 upon equal to V2 upon V1. If medium 1 is vacuum or air, then the refractive index of medium 2 is considered with respect to vacuum. This is called the absolute refractive index of the medium. It is simply represented as N2. If c is the speed of light in air and v is the speed of light in the medium, then the refractive index of the medium Nm is given by Nm is equal to speed of light in air upon speed of light in the medium, that is c upon v. The absolute refractive index of medium is simply called its refractive index.